The Roku Express 4K Plus is a compact yet powerful streaming device that brings premium entertainment into your living room without breaking the bank. Designed for users who want smooth streaming in 4K resolution with HDR support, this little box offers great performance and ease of use. Today, we're diving deep into what the Roku Express 4K Plus has to offer, from setup and performance to its remote capabilities, content availability, and how it stacks up against the competition. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to upgrade your TV viewing experience with voice control and endless content options, this might be the perfect device for you. The Roku Express 4K Plus is tiny, sleek, and unassuming. It's a small rectangular black box that can sit beside or be mounted behind your TV. The package includes an HDMI cable, a USB power cable, a power adapter, and double-sided tape if you want to stick it to your TV. It doesn't take up much space and blends in well with any entertainment setup. Despite its size, it's packed with features that rival more expensive streaming sticks. Setting up the Roku Express 4K Plus is incredibly simple. Plug it into your TV's HDMI port, power it via USB or wall adapter, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll connect it to your Wi-Fi, sign into your Roku account, or create one, and within minutes, you're ready to stream. The guided setup process includes automatic software updates and custom recommendations. It also allows you to organize your home screen with your favorite apps and channels. As the name implies, the Roku Express 4K Plus supports streaming in 4K Ultra HD and HDR10, delivering crisp visuals and vibrant colors, provided you have a compatible TV. Even on non-4K displays, it provides excellent HD streaming with minimal buffering, thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi that ensures a stable and fast internet connection. The upgraded processor offers snappy menu navigation and quick app launching. Compared to earlier models, this is a significant improvement in speed and responsiveness. Content is where Roku shines. The Roku Channel Store offers thousands of apps: Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, Prime Video, YouTube, Peacock, and many more. But what really stands out is the Roku Channel, which provides access to a huge library of free live and on-demand TV shows, movies, news, and even kids' content without any subscription. The device also supports Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, letting you stream from iPhones and iPads seamlessly. With the growing trend of cord cutting, Roku is an excellent hub for services like Sling TV, Philo, YouTube TV, and Pluto TV, allowing you to stream live TV without traditional cable. You can even rent or buy movies through services like Vudu or Fandango at home directly on the device. The Express 4K Plus includes the Roku Voice Remote, which lets you control your TV's power and volume along with navigating the Roku interface, all from one remote.